Hey everyone, I'm Waggle Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people end up with in their empties, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I have another empties video and you'll be shocked, or at least I was shocked, that the highest item category is makeup. Who am I? Hitting pan on stuff. Alright, let's get started with your everyday basic bath and body products. The first product here is from the Rituals. This is the Ritual SAKURA, which is an sensational foaming shower gel. Now let me just tell you, if you love a good scent, this smells divine. It smells like cherry blossom and just like their candles. I've also smelled candles very similar to this from Bath and Body Works. So this formula totally reminds me of a men's shaving cream. It's the kind that comes out gel and then like quickly turns into a big glob of white foam. So a little goes a long way because you just go to squirt and all of a sudden you have a handful full of like foaming stuff. Considering this is what I'm presuming a travel size, it's 50 ml or 1.6 fluid ounces. It did last, well, to be fair, I don't shower daily, and I didn't use this every single time I showered. So if I had to guess, if you were to use it daily, I would say it lasted a month. But if you're interested, maybe the sample size or travel size is the way to go. Next product we have here is from CREST. This is the 3D White Stain Shield. Did I notice it changing the color of my teeth? Sadly, no. Toothpaste is toothpaste. It's not the normal one. I don't even want to explain where I got this from, but I used it up and hey, my teeth were minty fresh each and every day. This here is my go-to deodorant. It's from Degree. It's the Dry Protection Shower Clean. I like how this smells, and it is white, but I wear black all the time. I never noticed any white stains anywhere. I get these at Target. You get a 2-pack. I want to say like $6, although I haven't had to buy a 2-pack since the world came to an end and everything increased in price, so don't quote me on that price, but I will continue to purchase this over and over again. And the last item in the Bath and Beauty category is this product here from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the MELTAWAY cleanser. This was good. Okay, it's just a personal preference of mine. I prefer when a face cleanser foams up slightly. I don't know if it's psychological, if it's just a sensation. I feel like it does what it's supposed to do. This just went on kind of smooth, and you're always questioning, or at least I am, like, is it doing anything? It felt nice, smelled nice. It smelled like, or reminded me of the Tula sugar exfoliating. Like it had a sweet scent to it, which was lovely. Would I buy it again? Probably not. I bet it's a little pricey. Would I use it again if I got it in a beauty subscription box? Yes. Alright, moving on to the skincare category, which is very light this month. This here is a serum from IUNIK. It's a Korean brand. I'm sure I just butchered the name. It's the Black Snail Restore Serum. The serum is 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounces, which is a nice size. Most serums typically come in a 30 ml bottle. I'm fairly certain I got this in either a Yes Style haul or in a Yes Style advent calendar. It was lovely. Nothing magical to report, but it sunk into the skin, was easy to use. I enjoyed it. Alright. On to this product, which I picked up, I want to say, on Amazon. This here is the ROCHE-POSAY ANTHELIOS 60. It's a cooling water lotion sunscreen, and it is SPF 60. This here is a 5 fluid ounce or 150 ml, and I've had this for at least 2 years. Now, do I put sunscreen on every single day? No, because I work from home and sometimes I'm just in my house, not walking near a window, and so I just don't. But this product is fantastic. It works really well. It lasted a long time. It's worth the money. I want to say this is like in the $30 range, which for some like me may be considered pricey. For others, that's very affordable, but I would definitely purchase this again. I do enjoy products from La Roche-Posay. I would just say with this product and probably most every other SPF, make sure you don't go higher than your orbital bone. Sometimes it would kind of creep into my eyes and it would make my eyes a little watery, but nothing horrible. Like after 5 minutes, they would settle down, but just, yeah, warning there. All right, and then the last item in the skincare category is this crinkled up tube in order to squeeze out every last drop. This is the Velvet Luxe Vegan Body and Hand Cream. I use this just on my hands. This I picked up, I want to say it was a duo that I got from an add-on in FabFitFun. It was okay. It smelled floral. Not horrible, but not like, that's the best kind of a scenario. And it was one of those hand creams that went on, but then I swear they put something in there that makes you use it more frequently. They felt moisturized, and then like 20 minutes later, they felt dry again. I don't know, maybe I just have very dry hands, but I had to apply this many times throughout the day. All right, on to makeup and makeup adjacent. All right, we have this product here, which is called Prepare Cotton. There are many foreign languages. I got this off YesStyle. This is a box of cotton pads, and I am so sorry. I meant to keep one in the box to show you, but I forgot. But then I had the last one before I threw it out. It's gross. It's got some stuff on it. But hopefully you can see how thick it is. So that is my comment on this, and I don't think I'd buy them again. They were very soft, don't get me wrong, but because they were so thick and fluffy, they ate up a lot of product. So any kind of toner, any kind of micellar water, you'd squirt and it just would suck it all up, which maybe you would like and enjoy. But for me, I found like, oh wait, let's go easy on that expensive product. Overall, it was nice. If someone gave me a box for free, I'd use them again. But in the future, I'm going to pick up a different brand that I prefer. All right, the next product is this 30-pack of face wipes, and this is from a brand called Bolero. I'm not sure. I want to say maybe I picked this up off of YesStyle or Shop Miss A. I'm not certain, but these smelled really good. These are the watermelon and sweet mint. These I did not use on my face. I just used them to remove swatches. They were lovely because they're scented. I don't think they would be good on the face, but if you aren't sensitive to scents, they were lovely. All right, this here is a lip oil from Trust Fund Baby. It was okay. I used it up. It's very thick. It's not sticky, but it's very, very thick. And I'm learning the more I use lip oils, I don't care for them when they're super thick. Because I sit there and purse my lips over and over and over again. It also has one of those flat paddles, which is okay, but it's not my favorite applicator. It's just, you can feel the little plastic bit. It's not as smooth or hugging to the lips. And yeah, so there's that. I think I got this, I want to say Ipsy, but it could have been a BoxyCharm. This product here from Fenty, yes, it's in the box because I only used it once. It's going bye-bye. Technically, it's not an empty, but I am getting rid of it. This here is the Heat, I don't know. It's one of those lip plumping that turns my lips on fire. I do not like the sensation. It feels drying, it pulls, it burns. And yeah, it will wear off, but just the 5 to 10 minutes, can't stand it. Yeah, so sad to report. I used it once, but it's going to go bye-bye. All right, you will see a little trend here of some lip products. Next one is a lip balm. This is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Lip Pop. And I want to say it's in the scent Blueberry. It does smell really good. What's sad is across the top it's flat, and I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. There's about this much more product. I could sit there and scrape with my fingernail or get a brush. It's just not worth it. This definitely is a type of lip balm. It goes on rather thick for a lip balm. It's not the kind that's very slippy with a lot of like vitamin E or whatnot. Don't quote me on the ingredients, but it's okay-ish. But 10 minutes later, you feel like you need to apply some other lip product because my lips were always like, yeah. If you know, you know, but I did use it up. I definitely would not purchase that again. And in fact, even if I received it in another beauty subscription, I'd probably set that aside for a giveaway. All right, next item is something I picked up or either got it in a haul or it was in a mystery box. This here is from Huda Beauty and it's the Sparkly Lip Balm and it was in the shade SEDUCTRESS. I don't know if it'll pick up there. It really didn't have a color in the tube. It was like a soft peachy pink, but this was wonderful, felt lovely. It's super bougie. It has a magnetic closure on a lip balm. Little pricier than what I would spend on a lip balm, but really good product. So if it was gifted to me or I got it in a box, I would definitely use it again. I also used up this little itty bitty teeny weeny lipstick sample from Avon. I don't know the brand name or if it has one or the color. The writing on here is super tiny, but I got this in a friend mail from Beauty and More with Renee. Hey Renee, when we did our in-person collab, I would definitely buy these lipsticks again. It went on very smooth. It was moisturizing. This just wasn't my go-to color, but I did use it up. But yeah, I would definitely look into lipsticks from Avon. This was super comfortable. Okay, the last lip product is another lip balm. This here is from Honest Beauty. I want to say I picked this up on as an add-on maybe from Ipsy or BoxyCharm. It was okay, not my favorite. It did have some pigment, but not a lot. I really enjoy really slippy lip products that are super moisturizing. This one just not my cup of tea. It wasn't horrible, but even if I saw it for like $6 on an add-on or a pop-up sale, I wouldn't pick it up again. All right, the next item is one of my holy grails. This here is the Lash Princess from Essence, the waterproof variety. You will see this mascara in about every other or every third Empties video I do. I love it, it's affordable, and it's tied as a holy grail for me. Now the last product was actually part of my project pan. It is this guy here, which is a cream contour from Maybelline. This is the Master Contour. I only enjoy, look, it's all flat. I can't even show you anymore. Half of it was kind of creamy ivory, and then the other half was the contour, which I'm wearing today, and pretty much in just about every video you've seen this year, short of if it was a haul video where I was trying on a contour or bronzer, then it wasn't this. But any other video, I was wearing this. It took forever to go through. This was my favorite. It's Lazy Girl approved. Just draw it on. It's the perfect cool tone, not too orangey. And I liked it so much. Guess what? I already bought a backup. So if you have fair skin and enjoy a more cool tone contour bronzer than the typical warmer orangey toned bronzers, I highly suggest this. My only issue is I wish the stick came all of the contour color and not that kind of ivory light shade. But guess what? When I got down a little bit, that side, it just split naturally, and it looked funny because it was just one long halfway, but that was perfect because it just made it easier for me to put on without having to press it a certain way to not get that lighter shade. But hey, some of you may enjoy that light shade that you could use. I don't know. I don't put the lighter, the Kim Kardashian kind of way to contour. That is not me. All right, that is everything in my Empties video. Let me know if you've tried or used any of the products I shared, or if you're now intrigued to try anything I shared. I love hearing what you have to say. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.